All right. Hey everyone, welcome back again to this channel. So today I will want to clear up a great question I got from several people after my video on breakfast. You know, the previous video we did. And what's the question? The question is this: if breakfast is important, what about fasting? Well, it's easy to understand that people fast for various reasons. Yeah, people fast for religious reasons, health, personal health, beliefs, and so many things. And you know what? These reasons are very important. So we cannot overlook them, right? And then we are going to break down the differences between skipping breakfast and fasting. Before I continue, we are going to look at two scenarios. Imagine you waking up in the morning, you skip your breakfast, then around 10 a.m., you're starving. You will reach out for any edible things around you to fill yourself up. Of course, to refuel. That's what everybody does. And what do you think is easily available around you? We have snacks, we have junk food, you see restaurants, yeah, you just get into and grab anything to fill up. And you know, these things have no nutritive values. Now, think of the second scenario. You've planned not to eat from morning, that's scheduled fasting, to noon, or whatever time you scheduled for it. Then, when the window period opens for your closing, you settle down on your already made food, nutritious, decent meal. Now, come to a conclusion that fasting is a planned period of not eating. It's about giving your digestive system a break and can be done for various reasons. So, fasting is intentional and it usually follows a set schedule. So keeping breakfast is usually unplanned. Maybe you're too busy, not hungry, or just you forgot to take your breakfast. It's not structured and it can often lead to unhealthy habits later in the day. Then another question comes up. Is fasting good for me? Sure. When fastings are done right, it can be very healthy, more than you think. Some of the benefits we are going to treat here. Number one benefit, this fasting helps to control your blood sugar. It helps your body to manage insulin. It helps you to manage your weight. It can help you to eat fewer calories and thus you burn fat. So number three, fasting will trigger your body to clean out the damaged cells, thereby detoxifying your body. So it can also help to reduce swelling and pain in your body. Well, I was talking to somebody a long time ago and she told me that fasting make her feel more focused. So when we fast, it helps us to have a clearer thinking. But remember, fasting only works when it's done correctly and safely. So why skipping breakfast? Skipping breakfast can be very harmful. And on the other hand, randomly skipping breakfast isn't the same. Well, it can hurt your health. It can cause so many things, just like we discussed in our previous video. From causing you to have low energy, you might feel tired and sluggish throughout the day, to making you to eat more of junk food. And when you do that, it leads you to overeating. So it also slows down your metabolism. You can listen to the previous video we did about breakfast. So your body might start storing fats instead of burning them. It can also make you to miss some of the nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that our body needs. Then another thing we have to treat today is how can you enjoy the benefit of fasting? without harming your health. So these are the things. You have, number one, you have to pick the right fasting style. You have to eat nutritious meal. Whether you're fasting or eating breakfast, choose foods like eggs, fruits, oats, and nuts. These foods help to energize your body. It helps to protect and give you all the nutrients, the vitamins that your body needs to go about its daily activities. The most important one, listen to your body. You know, fasting isn't for everyone, which we know. If you are fasting or if you are pregnant, diabetic, or have any health issue, please ask your doctor before you embark on this journey of fasting. The bottom line is this: breakfast is very, very important because it gives our body energy and nutrients to go about our daily activities. Fasting can also be healthy if done the right way. So it's all about balance, right? And making the best choice for our body. If you find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Keep on, stay with us, and wait for the next video. Bye.